have seen this little boy. Did you see the pictures of him?
No.
I just rehomed him because the guy offered me way too much money, and Judy's like, Rita, they're gonna fight.
Hi, Munchkin. Look at you.
Look at this boy.
Oh, that's his son?
Yep.
Cool. Let's see the mayor of Morongo Valley.
Yeah.
Hi, Mayor. Here's the mayor of Morongo Valley. Did he really get elected mayor?
He did.
This is official.
It's official.
This is not a joke.
Well, it's a game, but yeah. Roxy was the mayor for 2 years, and I wasn't gonna run because she doesn't play fair, but he won. He was at the park all day Friday and all day Saturday.
Wow.
So he met a lot of people, and you know how sweet he is.
That's so cool.
So
You're going to be on
everybody
YouTube,
loved it.
You know that, right?
Well, they started a channel. Somebody's making a website. We're
No, I
getting some
said you're
shirts.
going to be on YouTube.
Oh.
I'm recording.
Oh, you're recording right now?
Yeah.
Oh.
See? I'm gonna make a video that says the Morongo, Mayor of Morongo.
Morongo Mayor.
Wait, I gotta pick him up again. He's so cute.
He is good.
I love you,
He talked.
Ziggy.
The guy asked if he wanted to say something, and he did his little.
Look at him.
His little.
This is Ziggy, the Mayor of Morongo. Official. It's not bullshit. It's real.
Yeah, we're getting shirts and everything, so I'll make sure I give you a shirt
cool.
and hat.
I would have voted for him if I lived in Morongo.
Yep.
You know? Here's Ziggy. Get some sun. Get some sun. That is fucking insane, and I love it.
I know, I love him too.
I thought it's wonderful.
Love it, love it, love it.
Well, let me pay.
How's life?
Huh?
How's life?
One good
Happy?
thing. One
I
good
know,
thing.
but
Here's
you know
one good
what?
thing.
Don't you feel like the whole world is like moving smoother and
Look at this.
faster? And
I know. Are you doing the Trump dance?
Yeah, they're just everybody's going and everybody's happy.
There's
and
something good in the world,
I
yeah.
know. It happens.
We dodged a bullet, Rita.
Well, I know.
We
He
dodged.
had to win. I mean, really?
And it's the funniest thing because we dodged a bullet and he actually did dodge a
I
bullet.
know. It's not over yet. I'm sure they're going to still try and kill him.
You guys got to come here. This is called the Hippie Chicken in Morongo Valley. They got all sorts of critters. If you feel depressed, there's a kitty cat here. There's a kitty cat here. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm going to put it on YouTube. I got my camera going. And see, look at this. Ziggy made the cover of Avian Health, too. You see that? Look. He's on the cover. He's famous.
He is famous.
All right, let's hope this card works.
I had that when I went down and got lunch today. It didn't work, and I'm like, really? So I had to pay for part of that and part of that, and it all worked out. But
Let's see. This should work.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Down
don't know.
bottom.
Read it or something.
It's not reading? Nope, it's not reading.
It's not that kind. This is the Hippie Chicken. Look at all the cool stuff they got here. If you guys are ever in Morongo Valley or Palm Springs, take a trip up here. It's well worth it. She's got everything. Look at this. Really cool stuff. There's Ziggy again. I gotta pick him up.
He doesn't want to read it.
Look at that. Slide it.
I tried sliding. Oh, there we go. I tried sliding and it said insert. There we go.
Ziggy.
It works. I know, he's such a healthy little boy.
Yeah, I'm gonna put you on YouTube.
Alrighty.
Look for it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, am I missing a card? No, wait, this goes here. Okay, Rita, thank you so much. Receipt?
Oh, I just threw it away. So did you
No, I always want my receipt. Yeah, hopefully the money situation gets better.
Oh, it's gonna. It has to.
If you can't find it, don't worry about it. Okay,
No,
great.
it's there.
Thanks, Rita. It's good seeing you again.
Same here.
Love you, man. That's okay.
Okay.
See, they got all sorts of cool stuff here. You guys got to come up here, okay? This is Rita. She's the hippie of the Hippie Chicken. Okay, I'm gonna shut it off. I'm gonna go. I got been running around all day. Got my friend in the. Had to take my friend to the doctor. And let's see, maybe that's him
We're all
now.
on the
My credit card companies are ringing off the hook
Oh.
because I haven't been able to make the payments. Oh, it's fucking crazy.
Yeah.
All right,
it'll get
Rita.
better now.
And look at this. They got a big skeleton rooster.
That's old as that king, but I haven't left him out.
DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. So check her out, DDAmanda.com. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on.